see that Lisa hype something me unfold. And me I watch it from what you know. See? And me I watch that Lisa hype something me and me decide say me never say nothing because you don't know. Everybody attack and everybody attack. But when them attack, some people attack while some people laugh and I make clout. Like some people just have her as a little joke. People say cartel mother and every time cartel do this and that and that and that. See, I remember I go some man comment on something when me say happen with her, and when me comment, one of her friend reach out to me. See, and when them reach out to me, them a tell me say a long time. Them a say about some 11 or 12 years now. Them a go through it with Lisa. See, them a try to get the help. Them say even one time she did their foreign, and them did their help her because you know. Everybody asks one to her friend and one to her family. Everybody asks that question there. One to her friend and one to her family. And I'll tell you something. People are talking about mental health and all kind of things. Everybody a doctor. But I'm telling you something. If you never have a family member where go through something like this, you will never understand. You will never understand. Remember, we see Lisa come on every day. She got a foreign, and when she got a foreign, she there at the airport for hours. Nobody not come pick her up. She out at the airport a cuss. And I call be people name so she done with them and handbag or something. That's when she there Florida the other day. Right? She come back to Jamaica, find herself up at AC hotel. Remember, she not book up there. She not in a room up there. None of that she not have up there. She go find herself over Bima, over appliance traders, and take picture. You understand? Remember, say, me hear people get up and them and say a cartel cause this and a cartel cause that. See? You see, when time somebody go through an episode like this, it's hard to control them. Them will fight you. Them will use any weapon with them have and stab you up. Them will do anything with you. So you have to be careful. It's not something that somebody can easily control. It's not something that you can just go to Bama and just say, yo, yeah man, make a whole lot and make a do this and that. No, and a psycho. Me can tell you from personal experience. Seeing somebody, one person can talk to her, one person. I don't know who is that person, but somebody, like she will listen to one person. Because if you notice, she could have every friend where she have. She run with everybody afraid of her because again, them don't know what she have on her person, like them don't know if she have no weapon. And if she have a survey ticket, them are going to give her an injection and the injection are going to calm her. Seeing? The injection are going to calm her. Remember say a whole heap of people, enough youth go through it, enough time when you see some people on all the road. Them just go through an episode. Seeing? And them family just turn them back against them. Remember again, I don't know Lisa I personally. But I can tell you this. You see down at Bellevue, a whole heap of people carry them family down there, go left them down there. One of the time I go to Bellevue till my favor down there. Seeing? And I say want somebody writing on one site. I don't know which side writing and say, one of the time Lisa go with one 4-year-old baby. And how much days them can't find her and the baby. All of them suck me are true. All of them suck me are true. See? All of them suck me are true. So, the reason why I come on and attack this and tell you say I want serious something. And my mother used to be in a situation like that. See? My mother used to be in a situation like that. I can tell you no. Remember when my son was 4, my mother go say, man, I go through an episode. And my mother go say, man, take my son and go with him. And one time I go say, man, come from work and them say, yo, Sanja gone with Puffy. Is a call me get. And them say, yo, she out of Rockfort. And I go say, man, take a taxi and reach out of Rockfort. She know out there when me look, I see my son in a bad pan a bed. Seeing? It reach all a stage where they see all the police them. Same way like when you see Lisa go on. When you see all the police them. My mother fight all police. I fight all police. Police are the car down. Me dey all a dance a play and I go on. And me dey a dance a play. You know see somebody else come and say, your mother down a town and strip naked, you know. Your mother down a town naked. I remember she have knife, she have buckle, she have cursing oil, she have all kind of things, all kind of bag of carry around. You think a little bit of time them tell me, oh, your mother mad. Suck mad Sanja. I go through the whole of them thing there. So when I see Lisa hype, I go on with them thing here. I something bother me. Because I know the feeling. I got Bellevue. One time when Christmas come, I never like Christmas. I don't like Christmas because every Christmas is like my mother goes up and man chip out. I'm going down to Bellevue and I tell her say, them not deal with the people them go down there. See now this is from a long time this me I tell about, you know. See? So enough people on the internet a laugh and a laugh and a go on and a go on. You never ever know where a family member go through until your family where you really care about. Because when you have a family in a business about your family, nothing bother you, nothing hurt you. Nothing bother you and nothing hurt you. You hear me say? Nothing bother you and hurt you when time you don't have a family member. You just go live your life. Yeah man, them alright, you know, them do them thing, but it's once a year family. Once a year family. Remember say you have different type of mental health, you know. Remember say, just like how you have good, remember you have evil. And remember who be real. All who are going like say them no believe say who be real here. Who be real. Them think they're real. Good and evil are real. Zin? You have some little youth where you wonder what the little youth is so promising. And then all of a sudden the youths are bright at school and they say a B grade, a B, A plus, A minus, A this, A that, it does a go on so. Bright like morning star, young little youth all 13-year old. And when you check it out, the youth just go some man lose him way. All of a sudden the youth gone. See? We're in a world right now where at the internet page with them people have to take out them phone and people laugh off of everything. Everything people laugh off of. Everything people just a laugh and a laugh and a laugh. Denial is a rotted thing. When you live in a denial, is a thing. Because now, enough people, they say all in a Lisa comment to talk about, Lord the girl, left the girl, Lord the girl on her phone. Right? Only don't know nothing. And we not call nobody little picnic after you can have your phone and dip on live and dip on TikTok and I watch people business. You have a little picnic, you have sense. And you know what is right and you know what is wrong. See? You know what is right, you know what is wrong. So no for one did it and a cheer her and a jeer her and no know our family them feel. I say our friend was about last week and say, yo, me I wash my hand. Because the friend I try, everybody bash the friend because again, the friend reach a point where she get fed up and she has said, boy, I better wash me hand from this. Me have more a problem them. Me and her a friend, but me can't do no more. Me can't do no more. Only her family will love her alone. I go stick by her. Everybody I go dig off left for her. Everybody I go dig off leave Lisa. And Lisa alone I go dead it. Uncle her really love one if her mother, her father, her sister. Only who truly love her I go dead it. No found with on the internet. You're not going back to the regular life and go live on the life, man. You're going to live on the regular life and I wonder what's next on the internet, man. What is we can go laugh about? What is we can go laugh about? Who we can go now, who for life we can go pan for get little mix up because of phone family now affect you. You don't notice when time on the family dead. I want to come on, I want to ball, I want to ask for prayers. So same way like I want to ask for prayers for the family. Ask for prayers for other people to know. Ask for prayers for strangers to know. Same way like one can come on and come go on. I want serious thing. And you have a next form of mental illness way. Because you see, you not found never got through it yet. May I explain some of them too. No? Me I'm a doctor, but me have experience in enough of them something. I don't know the name of it, or the fact that part of that mentally go away. You expect so you forget something and a year one and it due to you and somebody forget it. Like in a year you feel like say people owe you something, you forget car, you forget house, till you start tell lie and say, yeah man, me have a Benz, you know. Me have this and me have that, you know. And me house the upper Stone Hill, you know. Me house the upper Stone Hill and a 6-bedroom and rare. In them mind. They must say, yeah man, that due to me because sometimes you have some youth that it's so bright and aspire for have a house, have a Benz, have a whole heap of money in a bank. But then them go to and start see some other youth a reach and a make it so them try to live up to them people the expectation. See? And then no people laugh and I say, yeah man, a true man. A true man, rare, this and that. But you do not even know, say, when you go to and look deep down in it, it's a name feet, you know. But me no remember the name. Me no remember the name. That when you go to and them sit down and them remember, like them just have that in their mind, say, yo, due to them and it owed to them. Remember when you see same Lisa go over with him, they go take picture and say cartel by her bima. Remember she go take picture over ATL and she a big up Scotia Bank and she a big up this and she a big up that. See? Remember them says that them say she a some farm, a schizophrenia she have. We see them thing up on TV all the while, but we still never take it serious until we start see we own a family and go through it. See? And I say be people, let's say and get up and attack and I go on. None of them not try to understand and say, yo, all I know we interview Lisa. All I know we interview Lisa. After Uno goes up and watch back that. Uno do it for views. Because I know enough I want to do it for. I'm in a business. Jaii Frais, the Fix, the whole I want to interview where I ask Clout with Lisa Hype. None of Uno never try to understand. Because she go up on her phone and she rant and I go on. I want to take it down and say, yo, come. Because when I run competition, I don't want another for views. All I want to pussy. All I want to pussy. The whole I want to. All I want to pussy. And I can't tell you that. Suck on yourself. Because I remember I not beg no friend from you. Not pussy. Have views you don't do it for. Because I want to laugh. I want to laugh. I want to act and you talk about shorty and this and that and that. And I know I see the real problem with Lisa have. Remember, this is not Lisa's first episode. None of the blood clot remember that. Only remember when time she dip on the live and somebody take away her phone from her and then after them take away the phone. Because remember she, I know the first Lisa do this. So when you come on and not blame cartel. On her pussy. Oh, quick. We forget. Say she do this already. Oh, quick. She do this already. But she don't want views. When I run competition, you don't want any of views when I run down. Because I did my family. Me I don't have problem pussy hole. Me I tell you no. Fix and Jaii Frais. Me I don't have problem. And I did my family. Suck no matter what. Me I tell you no na pussy. Because I run down views. What views mean? When you get a little $500 blood clot, a little $1,000 half of views? Eh? Money? Germs? Lisa come and she say she a breed. Lisa say she a breed. Remember she say she a breed, you know. She a breed. Everybody a say, yeah man, Dexter that breed the girl. Where this and that and that and that and that. And be people, yeah man, Dexter that a wicked, make him move in blood clot. Dirty narcissist. Where. And she smoke and she drink and she a go on. All on her pussy. Suck on the mother. All on her.